Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the right input source so the hash key works predictably. Open System Settings, go to Keyboard, then Input Sources, and add the layout that maps hash where you expect. Once done, show the input menu in the menu bar so you can switch instantly. You do this because different layouts place hash on different keys. Setting the layout prevents surprises. Make sure to test in a text editor to confirm the symbol appears before moving to app-specific steps. Now learn the actual keystrokes. On a US Mac keyboard, you press Shift+3 to produce hash. On UK layouts, it often requires Option-Alt+3 or the Alt-GR equivalent. Once you switch layouts, try both Shift and Option combinations because Mac OS maps Option differently for special characters. If you use a physical external keyboard, confirm its reported layout under Input Sources so keystrokes match. You should practice typing hash in the apps you use most to ensure consistency. Finish by checking that no custom shortcuts remap Option or Shift keys, which can block hash. Open Keyboard Viewer to watch which character appears as you press keys. This visual tool explains why a press yields a different symbol. If you still don't get hash, remove and re-add the input source or restart Mac OS. That resolves layout cache issues. If problems persist, test another user account or external keyboard to isolate hardware versus software causes. This single test often reveals the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.